Why men leave home.
Office work is very pressing. I never did it, but I'd like to do it. Try this on your typewriter. An up-to-date typewriter. This is why men leave home. Looking into things in the office. I've got my hands full at the office. You girls make me crazy. You either rattle or prattle all day long. This is my busy day. Work and rework, and then go broke. Simple office life. Stuck on a typewriter. Kiss me.